friends, and welcome back to Vyom's coding tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple dice simulator. So, I hope you have seen my previous videos on modules and built-in modules because this video is based entirely on that. So, first we write the import module statement. I'll be importing time and the random modules, and I'll be showing you their uses later in the video. So, from random import star and from time import star. So now the importing is done. Now let us just write a simple print statement for welcoming the person who's run the code. So print welcome to dice simulator, and that's it. So next print I will roll a number from 1 to 6. So this is these two statements are telling what this dice simulator is. Now let's take a new variable called roll, roll, is equal to randint. That's a function from the random module, randint 1, 6. So it rolls an integer from 1 to 6, and that's what I have said here. So I hope you have seen my previous video on built-in modules so that you can understand this. And then just that, next we write print you have rolled the number, and we just leave it here, and then write sleep 1. So this is just a print statement, and this is time.sleep. That is, it will delay the printing of the next line by 1 second because I have written 1 here, and then just at the next line we write roll, and that's it. The program is done. And now let us just run the code, and you can see welcome to dice simulator. I will roll a number from 1 to 6. You have rolled the number 6. First time it rolled 6. Let's try it again. Let us run it again, and you have rolled the number 2. So I hope you understood how to make this code, and I hope that you made it before I explained it to you. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to make a number guessing game with many features in it. Thank you for watching.